Are you having trouble with margins and edits? So am I. I will show you what I did to fix it. Well, the first thing I did was read the email. The email said I had insufficient bleed. That means I need to add more length and width to my pages. And I'll show you how I did that. Alright, so I resized my book from 8.5 by 8.5 to 8.625 by 8.625. Now this will change depending on how many pages that you have in your book. Alright, so you're going to go back to Canva, you're going to click PDF download, and then don't click anything else or it might not work. You're going to go back to KDP, you're going to click bleed PDF. That lets KDP know that you added bleed to your margins. Alright, the next thing you want to do is upload your manuscript and check it for errors. Now, it'll have the page numbers that you need to correct. I always leave it up and then go back to Canva, and I just have 2 screens up at a time, and I fix the errors one by one, and then I re-download my manuscript and then re-upload it on Canva, and it works every time. As you can see, I got my book published. It's up on KDP. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching.